right, Inez, you don't need this. I don't know who does, maybe me, for sure.
No, you don't.
Vivace. It's like this new technology that's out there. It's microneedling. It uses radio frequencies to stimulate collagen. It creates a flawless look on the skin. It's all about the skin, Lori, right?
Of course it is.
It's got to be done right in the doctor's office.
You can't do it at home.
Right. And you know what? They say there's little or no pain or downtime.
Joining us this morning, Dr. Paul Jared Frank, celebrity cosmetic dermatologist, who's going to show us how it all works. Doc, thanks for being with us.
My pleasure.
No pain, no downtime. Sounds too good to be true.
Yes, less pain, less downtime. What's great about it, it's very versatile. So you could use it for that I need to go back to work type of refreshment.
Like lunchtime?
Like lunchtime. Or someone with severe acne scars or needs a lot of tightening, you could actually give a couple of days of downtime.
So the bottom line, what does this machine do?
So what it is, it's microneedles, which have been around for a long time, but it's what's called energy delivered. So these little microneedles, 36 of them, inject heat. It's almost like injecting youth. And what this heat is radio frequency energy that stimulates collagen and all the vital components of the connective tissue.
So there's like no serum going into the skin?
No,
it's just
you
heat.
can put serums on the little micro wounds that are created, but these close up in a matter of an hour or two. So you can put something on top of it, but it's really, instead of injecting Botox or fillers, you're injecting vital heat to kind of reconstruct the skin. So we can use this for fine lines superficially, deeper
wrinkles.
Wrinkles, deeper tightening. It's very versatile because we're not only controlling the depth, but also the amount of energy. So when you fire it, you could see these little needles coming out.
Can you show it to Todd right there? Right there. Put it that way. Thank you.
There you go.
Okay.
You see these little needles coming out that inject the energy.
How many treatments do you need, or can it be done in one treatment?
Yeah, a lot of people do one treatment every once in a while. People with real problems, they're trying to achieve an endpoint, about 3. And you do it about a month away.
Can you show us how it
This
works?
is our patient, Liz.
Hi, Liz.
Hi.
You okay over there?
Doing good.
Have you had this done before?
Just earlier today.
Okay. You'll have to tell us how it feels when we do it.
She's a little red already because I was doing the treatment, but you're really just pressing against the skin and doing the little micro injections. What's really great about this technology, unlike laser, is that you can treat any skin type.
So it's just directly on the problem area?
No, you do the whole face, the neck. We do stretch marks. We do scars on the body. Any area of the body, any coloring of skin type. It is color blind, so it's really great during the summer for darker skin tones. Unlike lasers where you have to take certain precautions, this type of technology is ideal and very versatile.
Any risks?
There are risks to everything, but in a healthcare professional that knows what they're doing, we really target what we need to do. So this is not a spa treatment.
Right, it's not a spa treatment.
You have to worry, there are little open wounds. You have to make sure not to put on makeup right away, and you have to be cautious of burns, infections, just like with any medical device.
It's interesting you talk about scarring. So is it kind of like, was it called Fraxel?
Fraxel.
Is it sort of that same concept?
It is. You're disrupting the tissue that's scarred, and you're causing little micro trauma to get the body to remake stuff, to remake collagen and connective tissue. But what's great about it does it without a laser. It's doing with just radio frequency, which is a little bit of a safer, more versatile technology.
All right, let's see some before and afters, because I know we have some pictures. And are these patients?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so really help the acne as well.
It's great for young people with acne scars, and it's great for older people for fine lines and skin tightening.
So that is what, wrinkles on the forehead?
That's scars and wrinkles.
Gotcha.
Now, a treatment like this, you may have like 2 days of blotchiness, you know, like a weekend type recovery.
And how many treatments?
I would say the average patient gets about 3, but I have a lot of patients who are young with very mild skin irregularities that they'll do it maybe once a quarter when they want to just freshen up. They have a big event coming in 2 weeks. They just want to brighten the skin.
How expensive is it?
It could range for as little as $700 up to $1,500.
$700 for one treatment?
For one treatment.
Gotcha. All right. Now, since you're here, and Madonna is your BFF.
Oh, boy.
Okay. Because Dr. Frank has a skincare line with Madonna.
Yep.
And we're hearing, and you guys have been out. I see your Instagram. Don't try to hide it from me. There's talk that she canceled one of her shows because she got hurt. I think either her knee or her feet or something's going on.
Well, I don't know details about the injury, but one thing is for sure, Madonna, she only gives 150% to everything. So if she is out or cancels a show, which has to be an extreme reason, you could bet it's only so that she can give 200% when she comes back. So that's just her, and she always gives her best.
You knew she had something, though, that was going on.
Sure. I mean, she canceled, so she had some sort of, injury or something. So she's got to rest for a couple of days.
Let's talk about her skin, because she does have magnificent.
Yeah,
magnificent
MDNA skin. That's our line that we developed with a company out in Japan. We launched it in the U.S. about 2 years ago, and we still have more and more launches. We have a beauty roller for the face that we're launching next month for just around the eyes.
A what kind of roller?
A beauty roller. It's for
those, like,
it's a lymphatic drainage, skin tightening device that we're going to pair with serums that infuse into the skin.
So it's mostly like liquids, creams of your beauty line.
A lot of home devices that we're working on. I think a lot of the future of skincare technology is in home devices. People want these machines at home, not just creams.
Can you have something like this at home?
Yeah, it doesn't
Vivace?
strap on a belt very easily.
Yeah, right. Scare you a little bit.
People try and do microneedling at home, but again, this is caution. You're creating little micro wounds. People can have bleeding. This is not something you're doing at home or in like a spa. This is a doctor procedure.
And Liz, did it hurt?
No.
Didn't hurt.
No, she's a little red.
Yeah.
And we'll put a little serum on afterwards. But she can put on makeup by lunchtime, and then she'll be fine to go back to work and go about her day, and we'll see her in a month.
Beautiful.
All right.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Thanks, guys.
Frank, thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Give her best to Madonna.
Oh,
when you
yeah.
talk
I'll let
to
her
her.
know. Okay.
Yes, she'll be very impressed when you ask about it.
Yes, you will.
I know. Anyway.
All right. Coming up.